Good morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Thursday, the 29th of November. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened yesterday, and the major talking point came from the US. We saw the GDP numbers down a little bit at 3.5%, just under the forecast, but the major market mover was Fed Chair Powell's report, which basically sent the US dollar tumbling, dropping around about 90 pips within minutes against our Aussie dollar. There was much said, but the overall tone was ambiguous, and the report itself was described as a general health check one would get from their doctor. The key mentions, which the market reacted accordingly, were that the FOMC projections are based on a best assessment outlook and there is no preset path. Aussie US dollar now currently trading at 73.10 as it benefited from this news release. From the UK, we had the bank stress test results, and the quick summary of it was it revealed that the major UK banks have continued to strengthen their capital positions. The GBP USD did benefit from the combination of both news, jumping around about 100 pips for the session. Okay, time now to have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I have found this morning is a carryover from yesterday, and I'll just show you yesterday's first. It's a US yen daily, and look, I had some questions related to line drawings. Okay, now I've chosen to draw this line over here. I had no choice. I had to pick this point. It was a high. Generally, when I do a trend line, and please go have a look at some of the videos that I have on trend lines, I don't like to choose the wicks. Okay, I prefer to try and balance it in between the bodies and the wicks. This to me looked like a really good place. Okay, but it does give me flexibility if, for example, the candle that I'm not showing it to you right now, the yesterday's candle, if that was to go up, it gives me the flexibility of adjusting the line a little bit upwards if I need to. Let me show you today's chart. So basically it's going to have one additional candle. Yesterday we only had the blue candle there. Today, now you can see we've got a red candle. So all I've done is I've grabbed this line, adjusted it a little bit higher, and it still, to me, looks like a very nice resistance level. So I'm going to apply the same principle. This candle, the red one, didn't meet the criteria that I was looking for yesterday to possibly be able to take a trade. So I've adjusted the line and I'm looking for the same thing again. Let's see if I can get an inside candle over here today. If I do get that, well then basically I will be happy to take a short tomorrow. There you have it. The US yen on a daily timescale is our chart of the day. Okay, let's have a look what's happening in the session, which is about to kick off at 11 o'clock this morning. From New Zealand, we have the ANZ business confidence numbers. At 11:30 locally from Australia, we have the private capital expenditure. 7 p.m. tonight from Europe, we have ECB President Draghi will be speaking, and then another major one for tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock in the morning before I speak to you next. It's the FOMC meeting minutes. Let's see if anything is revealed there that could move the market. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow on the Daily Call. Bye for now.